How to delete GCash account. First of all, go to the email that the account is associated with. So for me, I signed up for GCash on Gmail. So go onto that account. It's the same wherever your account is. Then you're going to want to send the email. So in the send to section, you're going to want to type in support@gcash.com. That's going to be the email you're sending it to. So make sure that's in the send to section. Then type in the subject, deletion request. Then in the actual email, you want to do something a little bit like I write in a second here, where it says, please delete my account and all the information associated with it. Then put your account name, email, and potentially your phone number as well. All the information there, if you copy that with your details, like I've done on screen there, the account should be deleted, but potentially within a few weeks is around about that. You usually leave a like, comment, and subscribe if that did help you out.